Good evening, Rhondda. I'm Patrick Gale, and I'm sure you've already had lots of readings from Dylan Thomas, so I'm going to give you one from the great Cornish poet Charles Causley. This is Eden Rock, which I've always thought speaks to anyone who's lost both their parents, as I have, and I think is especially poignant during the national losses being suffered during this pandemic. They are waiting for me, somewhere beyond Eden Rock. My father, 25, in the same suit of genuine Irish tweed, his terrier Jack, still 2 years old, and trembling at his feet. My mother, 23, in a sprigged dress drawn at the waist, ribbon in her straw hat, has spread the stiff white cloth over the grass. Her hair, the colour of wheat, takes on the light. She pours tea from a thermos, the milk straight from an old HP sauce bottle, a screw of paper for a cork, slowly sets out the same 3 plates, the tin cups painted blue. The sky whitens as if lit by 3 suns. My mother shades her eyes and looks my way over the drifted stream. My father spins a stone along the water. Leisurely, they beckon to me from the other bank. I hear them call, "See where the stream path is. Crossing is not as hard as you might think." I had not thought that it would be like this.